How do everybody? Welcome back to the channel for a Monday. It's nice and sunny outside. Have a look. You can see it's absolutely lovely. I hear it's a little bit on the cold side up north way, but down here in the south it's not too bad. Well, I want to start off this video by saying a great big thank you to all the people that have taken the time to subscribe to this channel. Andy Gifford Online, we're up to about 1,025 now, which is absolutely brilliant. What I would really like to do is ask you all a favour. When I had a look, I noticed that there's still over 90% of people, that's a big number, watching these videos that haven't subscribed yet. If that is one of you and you are watching, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button down the bottom, because that would just make my numbers grow and make the word spread a bit more. And also hit the notifications icon next to it and the like as well. That'd be great. Thank you very much. And again, welcome to everybody. Well, today I want to talk about injustices. I get really pissed off when somebody is hard done by in law and is found guilty of something they didn't do, puts up with years of torment and trouble, and the people who were responsible for it get away with it. I mean, there are things going on every day, but the one I want to talk about at the moment is the post office. You've probably seen in the news lately all of these post office workers, I think 39 of them, that ended up going to jail and all sorts of other things because they were found guilty of a crime they didn't commit, a bit like the A-Team. They were found guilty of stealing money and embezzlement and all sorts of nasty things involving the misappropriation of funds. And all of it was down to the computer system that the post office had installed into their actual post offices. And some of these postmasters in a position of authority felt so bad about it and really genuinely thought that it was a problem that they decided they were going to try and put the money back themselves, and in some cases remortgage their own houses, and in others absolutely lost everything. Well, the long and short of it is they've been fighting for some time to clear their name, and eventually in a court of law they've managed to do so. They've managed to clear their name, exonerated of all charges, which is absolutely wonderful news for those concerned. There are some that have, it's taken its toll on them mentally, which it would be, and accused of something that you haven't done, and it's ended tragically in a couple of cases. But what happens now? Well, the head of the post office has actually resigned their position over this. Yes, okay, somebody has to fall on their sword, but resignations and sorries simply aren't good enough anymore. These people need compensating. They need compensating by millions, in my view. They should be compensated for the fact they were accused of something they didn't commit. They should be compensated for the fact they've had to endure months and months, if not years, of suffering for something they didn't commit. They should be compensated for their financial losses trying to put something right for something they didn't commit. Really, they should be living millionaire lifestyles. They shouldn't have to be worried about anything anymore. They should be left alone. An apology wouldn't go amiss, that's for sure, but that's not good enough. They should be compensated. And somehow, somewhere, this stuff should not happen again. You tell me how, because it shouldn't. Anyway, rant over. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. See you on the next one.